We've done all the qualifying rounds, and I'm just trying to get a little bit of shade, hats off to try and cool down a little bit. She is hot out. Hopefully you've watched my videos with the qualifying rounds in them. Right from the very beginning, it was spectacular. They had to change the course up because nobody was making it around the course, so they changed it up. They were still having trouble with it a little bit, but speeds picked up, and yeah, now we're at the finals. So enjoy the video. Yeah, there's nothing like sprint boat racing. So we're gonna start the 8 cut, 4 cut, and then 2, and the big winner.
Like and subscribe!
We got 199, it's Guano Loco, Sammy McKinney and Larry Steele.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, he was one of the ones that got his only run on his last run to make it in here. So this was quite a relief for him to be in here in this final.
Except
all right,
Sammy.
green flag is up, and here we go. So elimination rounds are underway here at the Enterprises Motorsports Park, Lewiston, Idaho. In the elimination round, start with a clean run.
He had to be a little nervous, you know that. But he's looking good. Looks like he's got it figured out now.
So 56.108 is the official time on that one, Doug. So they're going to make it into the 4 cut. Sponsored by a Wishy Washy Laundromat. Another boat representing the state of Idaho here. And here they go. Another clean run. All right, so how about this for a run time, folks? Slippery Pickle runs a 46.304. The 55 boat, sponsored by Bank of Top to Mark, Anna Mae Bryan, project manager, and Bill Bryan, assistant to project manager. Frank and Kelly, hoping to continue their winning ways from last season. And here we go. Everything looked good, Doug, because it's the best run so far. 45.0 089 for checkmate. Boat 208, TJ Burrows and Keith Brownsberger. TJ and Keith from Spirit Lake, Idaho. Green flag is up. Here we go. So 46.266, the official time there. All right, we will see some eliminations here for sure, Doug. We are now into the 8 cut for the 400 class. Only 4 are going to move on to the 4 cut. There's 7 boats that made this round.
So it's going to be extremely important for these guys to put down a clean run and get in this top 4 so they can move on to the 4 cut.
Live wire racer first wants to take a crack at it. Live wire with a clean run. All right, official time just came in on that run for live wire, 51.278. Green flag is raised. And here they go. Uh-oh. So he's able to stay right side up. He's all right.
Boat's going down.
All right, so it's going to be a DNF there.
Let's give him a round of applause for Knuckin' Butts there. That ends his weekend here, but man, he did some good driving here this weekend thanks to the safety first, always with these guys, so hands in the air. Give him a round of applause.
I got your breather. I'll throw it over that way if you want.
You got me?
I'll throw it. Oh yeah.
Pressure, man. You can throw it.
I'll put it on the lawn.
Fuck yeah. That's like $5.
I'm glad I could help you out.
My name's Mike Llewellyn. We're from Melbourne, Australia.
Going to race their way into the 4s now. Green flag is up. Here we go. So 49.583, the official time there for the 31 boat. That influence on the test there, Oregon. Oregon Motor Coach Center and Oregon. So the official time there, 42.128 for Bad Influence. So a great run there for Stephen and Randy. For Dale, do it for Dale. As they're back underway with the eliminations in the 400 class.
Get on our feet. Here we go, Lewiston, make a little noise!
That's going to be a clean run. So 40.821, the official time there for Do It for Dale.
Navigate the whole thing. It's a lot different being in one of these strip boats than four wheels. Oh, 100%.
Got the one hand here now,
Hold that position. I don't think it's hard to hats off to that team, you know, to be up on the bank halfway up the hillside not long ago, to get the pump apart, make sure the boat's right, and come back and compete like that. That's a lot of effort. That's a testament to their team, and they put in a 41.413. So
Yes, sir. 41.413, the official time there for Jolly Roger. So looks like we'll see them in the 4 cut. Got Wicked Racing out here first for the Unlimiteds in the 8 cut. Dan Morrison and Sammy Gustafson. So the current national champ lays down a 41.671 to start things off through the Unlimiteds. Nice run there by Wicked Racing.
And he kept it going. It's amazing. He's not going to have the time that he wants to, but just a clean run, may put you ahead depending how everything shakes out. So that's an amazing job to get that back in the water and around the track. Yeah, they're tightening it up to 4. They're only taking 4 out of this 8, but yeah, definitely getting this clean run, and who knows, something else might happen. They might have a DNF, so you definitely want to put down a clean run.
Absolutely, and it was a 48.205, so like you said, probably not as fast as you wanted, but still 48.205, not bad at all. They broke that 40-second mark on that one. 39.233. What a run there by Meter Machine, the 43 boat out of New Zealand.
Injected Fords, we've had turbocharged small block Chevys. Now here's one for all our big block Chevy fans. And unfortunately, that's what these rounds can do to you. You put so much pressure on yourself, you have the rotation, and unfortunately there's just no room for mistakes. But everybody put their hands together for 33.
That's Bootlegger, ladies and gentlemen. Ron Gallagher and Travis Callahan.
Fool you, this engine makes a ton of power. It's just got a lot different sound than what we're used to.
Nicely done for the clean run there for the 96 boat, Stars and Stripes. That's our top time so far, guys. 38.886, best time so far in the Unlimiteds right now.
Holy moly, what's going on here now? Oh man, what have you guys done? Leighton, what have you done? That looks wicked. Yeah, last time I seen you were 400 class.
Oh yeah, no, a little bit more juice now, but yeah, it's cool.
So this has a remote belt-driven Pro Charger that drives off the back of the engine. So again, just another example of how you make 1,500 horsepower. And remember, this is all hand controls too. It's a little bit different way to drive this thing, but Leighton finds the fast way around these tracks. was pretty good.
It was a great run, Gary. It was the best one now. They've beat that Stars and Stripes number. They got a 38.195 for betting insanity there.
Definitely here he is stepping it up. He's got a couple more runs to step it up a little bit more, but River Rogers in the 285, pure insanity, so far has been the fast guy, the guy to beat.
All right, well, wait till you hear this time, folks. 36.567. What a run.
Yeah, what a run. I mean, River and Cole continue to kind of lead the field, and they're just River's so consistent.
All right, guys, now we're rolling into the 4 cut, so the field is dwindling down. Guano Loco, see if they can make it into the finals here.
Oh, Sammy.
Island Hopper slowly approaching. Guano Loco seeing if they can get back up and rolling. Again, as long as they stay on the rotation, get up the hill, and look, here we go. That's why those Island That's a clean run. So 45.038, the official run time there. That's actually the best run of the weekend for Slippery Pickle. So TJ Burrows and Keith Brownsburg are out now, and Jolly Roger 208.
They've had good runs all weekend too, and they turned in a really fast time yesterday. Wasn't quite able to get to the top, but you know how to drive.
All right, guys, that was a 46.901 there by Jolly Roger. So right now,
Definitely up from this morning, so different blades and something. So we'll see if 55 goes that last right here. Oh, that could cause some one little hiccup.
right, let's see what that official time is. All right, the time is in. Checkmate Racing of 45.402.
Now's when it gets a little bit more intense, Lewiston. 4 boats going to 2 now. Now you got to be the top 2.
And 31 with a clean run.
You should be real happy
Yep,
with that.
50.290 to be exact there for the Why Not boat. So one of our international teams that came over from Australia.
It shows a lot about the racing community.
No,
and the
we've
Springball
been
world.
talking about that camaraderie all weekend, and I mean it's global, you know, with this sport. It's pretty cool.
All right, guys. That is
They're gonna bring every ounce out of this boat.
That's going to be a clean run.
Yeah, great job. Yeah, they're laying it out, guys. They didn't do that left hand.
That was a good looking run there.
There comes Cletus.
All
We got
right,
Adam.
guys. 40.133, 40.133. That is the top time so far for the 4 cut here for the 400 class. So Jolly Roger looking good right now. And 1776A, do it for Dale, a clean run.
Cletus McFarland! That's great, simple!
40.505.
Yeah, so that's going to be a tight final in that Group A. I mean, we're down to 4/10 of a second.
4 cut for the Unlimiteds now, the 43 boat Meaner Machine.
All right, Doug, I just can't get over the fact how this boat reminds me of Bigfoot, the monster
does.
truck.
It does. It always brings back the good old monster truck days. How about it, Ford fans? Cheer him on!
39.005, the official time there for Meaner Machine. Very nice run there. Now we got Stars and Stripes out here. Bert!
Doug, you know, we're taking everybody's class. Pretty much do or die run for Bert. He's going to hang it all out. There's no more sandbagging at this point. Can't hold back now. Deckers are wreckers, so they say.
All right, it's a clean run, folks. Time on that is good. All right, guys, it was 38.746 for Stars and Stripes.
Okay, so Bert picked up at 10th there, so we got a 38.74 to beat here, so. Winning Insanity Racing Team. There's a lot of insanity in this class. It's hard to keep it straight. Put your hands together for Lazy Cody. Ladies and gentlemen, he did it. He broke into the 37s. That's the first one for Leighton.
37.746.
He's got one more night. Said he's going to go for 36. This is the money round now.
Well, Gary, he kept doing what he's done all day. It's a 36.287 for Pure Insanity.
Yeah, everybody put your hands together for River and Cole.
So it's going to be Pure Insanity taking on Preventing Insanity for the checkered flag this afternoon.
Plays a lot bigger role because of the time constraint. There's not time to probably plug in and download.
Hoping to take home the checkered flag today. Guys, let's see what it comes back as. All right, 45.219 for checkmate. See if they can dethrone checkmate, at least for today.
Oh, so they each get one bottle. Let's see.
It's a clean run.
Good job on your second place.
Yeah, we it started out as a good run and ended up not being a good run. We thought we sucked up a rock in the grate because the boat got super weird, super loose.
Okay. Yeah, I seen you throttle back.
Multiple times, couldn't get to hook up, and so we think we got a rock stuck in the grate because it kept cavitating, but also we tore both fins off the back of the boat.
Motorsports Parts race winner for the ASBR Pro Racing Series. Congratulations to Checkmate Racing, number 55, Frank Thompson-Mark and Kelly Thompson-Mark. What a show they put on for you today in Lewiston. Let's give them a hand, folks. Let them hear you, Lewiston, as they make their way around for the victory now.
Greg know how much you appreciate him.
How about that, Lewiston? A clean run.
You know, to have a little bobble wreck that on the first turn, and I don't think he lifted after that, Doug. I'd like to download that data because I can tell you about what the ECU is going to say. It's going to say 100%.
All right, guys, so 41.043, your official time for Do It for Dale, Cletus McFarland, and Greg Biffle. See if they did it. It's going to be a tight one. Whoa. Well, folks, Jolly Roger Racing, how about this? They are your winner. 39.686, the 180 boat, Jolly Rogers, Eric Werner, and Jen Farmer. Your winners for today in the 400 class. Congratulations to the Jolly Roger crew. Number 180, Jolly Roger.
put your hands together for Leighton Lilly and Cody Holzer. That was such an amazing run.
All right, the numbers are in, guys. It's a 37.494 for preventing insanities, Leighton Lilly and Cody Holzer.
And that's Leighton's fastest time of the whole weekend. So he did exactly what he needed to do right there. Let it hang out.
Last year, he was in a completely different class in this league, and then this is his first race in ASBR as an unlimited. He's picking up right where he left off at the 400s. As you know, he's our champ last year in that class. Let's see if he starts off the season as a champ. How about this, guys? Your winner for the Unlimiteds in the first ever race here at ECMX Park with a 35.413 Pure Insanity, River Rogers and Cole Keats, the 285 boat, putting on a show for the home crowd. They are your winners today in the Unlimited class. Broke that 40-second barrier. He comes into the finals today. He gets a little over a 36 and a half, gets down to just over 36, ends the day over a half second better than that at a 35.413. The best run of the day in the championship round. What a job.
Congratulations to that whole Pure Insanity team, everybody in the pit, everybody from Cole, that whole team. They really put on a good show for us here today.
Absolutely. So thank you again so much, everybody, for joining us here at EC Enterprises Motorsports Park for the very first ASBR Pro Racing Series powered by Steel event, the first event of the 2025 season. We can't wait to come back here and see you in August.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That was awesome out there.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good first time at this track. Good, nice new track. It's pretty fun. It'll be fun to come back. They'll make some improvements. It'll get better, but it's good to get the first one out of the way, right?
Awesome. Good job.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Congratulations.
Hey, thank you. It was awesome.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yep.
To go back from spinning out and then...
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. Trying to think out.
What a battle. What a battle. And that, I'll tell you what, on this track, you just touch a bank, all the shit gets ripped off the bottom of your route, your fins, your skates, your impellers, your trash. It's like, yeah.
Noisy in here. It's hard to talk on this thing. But if I see you at these events, I mean, come up and say hi. I'll usually have stickers in my pocket. I'll give you some stickers. Yeah, thanks. Sneak around, yeah, sorry.
Thank you guys.
No.
Thank you everybody. Awesome track, love this place. All you guys, couldn't do this with any of you guys, so this is awesome. Love you guys all. All you guys, couldn't do this with any of you guys, so this is awesome. Love you guys all.
Thanks, TJ.
Thank you.
Second place for modifieds, Jesse Denton. And Jason Chris. Nice. First place for modifieds. Coming off winning modifieds last year.
Canyon right now.
Our first place winner got Eric Warren. Come on up. Winner Unlimited, third place, Stars and Stripes, number 96.
Good job, yeah.
Wow, so
Oh, we know who won.
Preventing Insanity, your second place winners. But yeah, the local kid won. So Pure Insanity, come on up.